In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks Online to efficiently set up payroll. First things first, open your browser and make your way to QuickBooks Online. You'll need to log in using your account credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, take a glance over to the left side of your screen. You'll find the menu panel. Simply click on Payroll from this panel. Upon clicking Payroll, you'll arrive at the Overview section. This is where you'll see 4 distinct tasks required for setting up payroll for your employees. Let's get these sorted right away. It's essential to finish these steps before you proceed further. Now, the first task is getting ready to pay your team. Look at the calendar to ensure your first payday is set up, which keeps everyone on track. Double check that your business information is complete by validating your primary work location and payroll contact details. As you prepare to enter employee information, make sure to have all relevant details at hand to ensure smooth processing on payday. Tax information is crucial too, so keep your state and federal tax ID numbers handy. For payroll accuracy, you'll need to input the amount you've paid your team this year. Then, to facilitate smooth transactions, connect your bank for same-day direct deposits and electronic tax payments. Moving along, the next setup is for your taxes. Here, you connect your bank just like with payroll. Tell the system which taxes you've already paid this year, which will guide them on whether to manage these for you moving forward. Now comes a smaller yet vital task, setting up time tracking. Whether you prefer to customize your employees' timesheets or utilize other features, start off by informing the software how you prefer time tracking. By inviting employees to track time on a device of your choice, you standardize the process. You might choose to set up a kiosk by installing an app on a designated device. Tailor this process with advanced features that fit your company's needs. Now, let's focus on taking care of your team. Consider adding a workers' compensation policy, which is necessary to comply with state laws and protect your business as soon as you hire your first employee. To enhance employee benefits, exploring 401k plans is an excellent way to attract and retain talent by helping them save for the future. Health plans can also be integrated into your payroll, with affordable options from top providers. Finally, turn your attention back to the Tell Us About Your Team section. Click Start. And when prompted to add your team, opt to do so manually by clicking Add Team Manually. With that in motion, proceed by clicking Next. You'll then click Add an Employee and input the important details necessary. As you finish, remember to click Add Employee to confirm the addition into the system. And that's it. With those steps complete, you've successfully set up the payroll in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.